Good morning. What amazing, awesome, just incredible day today. We are with the special ed professor and we are talking about words, 100 words that every adult should know. 100 words. And what's amazing is the letter A has so many. Out of 100, 1/5 of all the words that we will be going over, what we will be talking about. So 19 of the 100 all start with the letter A. And just one of the clues before I give you the word today is if you're going to learn these, if they're going to be part of you, there's some things that I can help you do. I can help you know what the word is. I can help you understand what the word is. I can even spell the word for you. But it's not until you internalize it and you use it does that word become part of your vocabulary, part of something that you use on a daily basis. And so, the things that I would do is I would get a note card out. I would write them down, every day for 1 week. I would use them in a sentence every day for 1 week. And then by the time that you've done that you know exactly what it means. You've used it in a sentence. You've used it in conversation. You've written it down on a card. That now becomes a word that is you, a word that you will start using in your vocabulary. So today is one that I just assume that most people know. It's advocate. So AD-vuh-kate. That's AD-vuh-kate, advocate, which just means publicly support or recommend. If you're advocating for somebody, I'm advocating for you to learn these words. So that means I'm supporting you. I'm putting behind, publicly I'm saying, I want you to learn these words. And so I'm the advocate that is speaking on your behalf, telling you this is what you need to do. All right, hope you guys have a good day. 100 words you should know as an adult. Today's word is advocate. Talk to you tomorrow.